Hello and welcome to a burst of colors on your plate. Today we are turning the humble dosa into a vibrant showstopper called the rainbow dosa, crispy, colorful and surprisingly easy. Let's get started and watch how this classic dosa gets a bold, colorful twist that'll wow your eyes and your taste buds. First, soak 2 cups of idli rice, half a cup of urad dal and a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let them soak for about 4 to 6 hours. Now grind them into a smooth batter using water as needed. Add salt and let it ferment overnight until it's light and bubbly. Once fermented, divide the batter into 6 equal portions. Now comes the fun part, color each one using natural ingredients like using beetroot for red, carrot for orange, turmeric for yellow, spinach for green, butterfly pea flower for blue and purple cabbage for purple. For the red, we are using beetroot juice. Boil chopped beetroot, blend and strain the juice. For the orange, we are using carrot juice. Blend raw carrot with a little water and strain. For yellow, you can either use turmeric water or saffron strands that are soaked in hot water. For green, you can use spinach or coriander puree. Just blanch those leaves, blend with water, strain. You can also use them raw for the green color. For the blue, we are using butterfly pea flower water. Soak 6 to 8 flowers in hot water and then strain. For purple, we are using the purple cabbage juice. Mix well and now just look at those beautiful colors. Now heat up your dosa tawa on medium heat. Grease it lightly with oil or ghee. There are 3 main methods to make rainbow dosas. First is the rainbow method, where we pour a very thin layer of base layer, that is of plain batter first, and then quickly drizzle colored batter in straight lines or diagonal stripes using squeeze bottles. Let it cook. Colors will set as the base cooks. Method 2 is the spiral rainbow method, where we pour a ladle of any colored batter into the center, add dots or arcs of different colors from inside to the outer circle. Use the back of the ladle to gently spiral out, blending the colors slightly. The third method is the radial sunburst or the advanced style method, where we spoon small dollops of different colors alternating from center to edges in a starburst pattern. Use a chopstick or toothpick to drag through lines, creating a sunburst or flower look. Cook without disturbing the design. Cook on medium flame until the edges turn crisp and the base is golden. You can drizzle some ghee or oil for extra crispiness. And now look at that beautiful rainbow dosa. Serve hot with coconut chutney or your favorite dip. If you enjoyed this colorful creation, hit that like button, subscribe for more recipes. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try it. See you next time. Happy cooking and thanks for watching.